Interesting facts about the Bible, part 66. Did you know that it's written in the Bible when the rapture will be? Many believe in a pre-tribulation rapture or even a secret one. However, Yeshua tells us exactly what and how it will happen. Mark 13 describes all of these events that will take place. There are wars and rumors of wars, earthquakes and famines. These are only the very beginning signs of the end. Then Yeshua says that believers in Messiah will be beaten and taken before leaders as a witness. If anyone tells you that Yeshua has already come, we know that it isn't true, because in verse 10, Yeshua says that the good news must first be proclaimed in every nation. This has only recently become true. Then Yeshua mentions something called the abomination of desolation, where it should not be. Daniel prophesies in Daniel 12:11 that from the time the daily sacrifice was removed and the silent abomination placed is 1290. Babylonians originally destroyed Solomon's temple in 586 BC. A Jewish year changes on how many days it has, but it averages out to be about 360. A day is a year in prophecy. This would bring us to the years 686 to 705 AD. That is exactly the time that the Dome of the Rock was constructed. On the Dome of the Rock is an inscription rejecting Messiah as God's Son. Because of these things, many believe that the abomination of desolation is the Dome of the Rock. Then in Mark 19, we see that there will be trouble such as never happened, not since the beginning of creation until now, and never will be again. Obviously, this has not happened yet, but we see it starting to take place. Again, more proof that Yeshua did not return in 70 AD as some people are trying to argue. In fact, Yeshua specifically says in verse 21, if anyone says that Messiah has come, don't believe it. Then, in verse 24, it says, after that trouble, and the heavens are shaken, they will see the Son of Man coming in clouds with great power and glory. He will send out his angels and will gather together his chosen from all over the earth. So in Yeshua's own words, he will not come and gather us, and he will not return in glory until after we have gone through the trouble or the tribulation.